We are at the Fountain View Park Shuffleboard Court and we're about to start the Tournament of Champions. We're down to the final game and the two teams fighting for the championship will be Tom with his wife Linda Holler and Randy Pritchard and Jeannie Calhoun, a former champion. So it should be quite the final. On her first throw, Linda Holler knocks out Jeannie Calhoun's disc. On Jeannie's first shot, she just stops in time to keep out of the kitchen. Tom scores a 7 on his first shot. And then Randy comes through with a 7 of his own. Another great shot by Randy, where he scores an 8 for his team. Jeannie's good shot scores 7 points for her team. Linda tries to knock Jeannie's yellow disc out, but just sends it to the other 7 square. Jeannie racks up another 8 points for her team.
8 yellow.
Unfortunately, Tom knocks himself into the kitchen on his first shot. And then Randy scores 7 points for his team, but Tom knocks him out of there on his next shot. After 3 frames, it's 30-0 for Jeannie and Randy's team. Linda scores a 7-pointer for the black team. Unfortunately, Linda ends up in the kitchen after this shot.
Heads on the kitchen.
Jeannie just keeps her disc off the white line on this shot, and it counts. A nice shot by Tom puts Randy in the kitchen for a minus 10 points. We're halfway through the game now, and the yellow team is leading 60-16. That's Jeannie and Randy over Linda and Tom Holler. Randy successfully knocks himself out of the kitchen on this shot. Then he scores 7 points for his team on his next shot. A nice throw by Linda knocks Jeannie's yellow disc out of play. Randy scores 7 points for his team on this shot, but unfortunately, Tom's next shot knocks him out. Here is the final shot of the championship game, which is now over. Final score was 138-52 for the yellow team. Congratulations to our finalists, Linda and Tom Holler, and to our 2025 champions, Jeannie Calhoun and Randy Pritchard. With Randy Pritchard and Jeannie Calhoun, the Fountain View 2025 Shuffleboard champions. We just completed the tournament. How do you two guys feel?
We're just elated that we won this darn thing. Jeannie's a pretty tough player, and I'm glad I could assist her in getting this won. We had very, very tough competition, and we feel fortunate that we ended up on top.
Yes. It was a great shuffleboard tournament, and I'd like to dedicate this video to Jeannie's late husband, Cheryl Calhoun, a good friend of mine who was once the shuffleboard champion here. Thank you very much, guys.
Oh, it was a great tournament. We had a great turnout. Everybody got along well. I only had to make a few calls. Tony made a few people mad. But other than that, it went fantastic. And I'd like to thank Roz for helping me with this. And she filled in when Doug Collier, which was here for 3/4 of the season, left us. And he's gonna be missed.
Yep. We're just happy that we beat the weather and got this all in before the rain. So it was a fun day, and we appreciate everybody coming out and taking their time to watch and to participate. It was a great crowd.